Premiere Pro features an entirely new color management system that makes it easier to mix and match footage from virtually any camera, balancing the images to give you a better looking starting point than ever before, without having to manually use LUTs. Premiere Color Management does this by automatically tone mapping raw video and log footage from nearly every camera to SDR and HDR as soon as you place clips in the timeline. It's a set it and forget it system with 6 new color management presets that do all the heavy lifting for you, with deep customizations for pros who want to explore advanced settings. The default preset keeps everything looking exactly how you're used to in Premiere Pro. You now have the option to process all image and color operations in the traditional Rec. 709 color space or the all-new ACES CCT color space, which is a wide gamut, higher fidelity color space designed for today's modern, high dynamic range color work. Many of Premiere Pro's most popular effects, like Lumetri, are now color space aware, so your clip's native format is part of the color correction pipeline when you're working in a wide gamut preset, giving you deeper control to fine-tune your creative look and utilize all of the raw or log data in your footage. This results in the ability to get better skin tones, better dynamic range, and better color overall. If you use LUTs for creative looks, they'll dynamically adapt to SDR or HDR based on your source settings, making it easier to achieve the perfect grade. And you'll get color-managed After Effects compositions in your Premiere Pro timeline when working between apps using Dynamic Link. Premiere Color Management is advanced color management made simple for helping you achieve perfect skin tones, better tone mapping, and colors that pop. Coming soon to Premiere Pro. Download and try it in beta today.